And to think I almost passed on him. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Terry, and this is my channel, Gotham Cenobites. So today's the big day. Sold all the Marvel Hot Toys to fund this big guy. He is just... it's incomprehensible how much bigger and better, just better looking he is in person. But I told the wife that I ordered it, and it came from Sideshow, so shout out to Sideshow. Pretty good shipping. But I was talking to her, and I was like, hey, just in case something's broken, would you mind filming me unbox this thing? And she, surprisingly, was really excited. So I was happy that she was excited, because she doesn't get too excited that often, especially when I talk about these statues. So, the footage you're about to see is just me and her unboxing the Merciless, and you let me know in the comments section if you like this format. I enjoy it. I hope you do, because I would love to unbox the rest of the line with her. He's number 2 for me. Batman Who Laughs behind me. Now he's number 2. All that are out for pre-order, I have on pre-order and paid for, just waiting for them to drop. So without further ado, this is the footage of me and her unboxing, and I will be back once we're all wrapped up to say goodbye. Hope you enjoy. Alright, we'll start with this. This is everything that came in the first box. Oh boy. The 2022 calendar. And the instructions, which we'll use those in a bit. I'm pretty sure this is the base.
I would have thought it'd be. Does it say?
Hmm?
Does it? Never mind.
They don't ever tell you.
Because it's such a thicker side. Oh, it does say top.
Yeah.
Ooh.
You smell it.
Fresh paint. Oh, I do.
Oh my gosh. Goodness. All the videos and you're still not prepared for how big this thing is.
Oh my god.
Oh goodness.
Wow.
Alright. 37. Okay. That's gotta be half the weight right here. Oh, right. Yeah, I really don't think I was prepared for that. It is ginormous. Oh man, that's big. Actually have the vacuum cleaner.
Mm-hmm.
Good Lord.
Jeez.
That's the leg ones. Oh my gosh. And how big that damn thing is.
That's awesome. It's so different in person.
Yeah. It is humongous.
Put it in the palm of your hand. What is this? The shoulder blade?
I think. Yeah, these are the shoulders.
Wow.
Same thing.
Yeah.
So what are your thoughts?
I'm kind of in shock, to be honest with you. I gasped at the face, but seeing the chest and the waist is pretty.
Almost as big as me.
Yeah, it's wild how large it is. I had no idea.
Yes. Yeah. That's pretty cool.
Wow.
It's so big, and it's only a knee. It's for his knee. It's real big. These are the hips. It is, I don't know, those slightly look different color.
I know, this is what I was waiting on.
Oh my god. It's a little man. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
These first. I don't know if I like that. But yeah, I guess that was that one. Oh, good. Come on. That's not exactly what fit. Okay. That just don't seem right. Oh, that's that one.
Clicked.
Okay. Well, that was embarrassing. All right. A little man. Chainmail's crazy.
How much do you think it weighs?
This isn't that bad.
Woo!
I swear though. Yeah. Just that is too tall. Almost. Got the little Wonder Woman plaque.
It's crazy detail. Just the texture. It's pretty wild.
It's like a little plate.
Hmm.
Yeah, you see it on a tape measure, but it's like, whoa. There we go. Oh, thank God for tape measures. Oh, goodness. Ginormous.
Hold on, sir.
It's way different.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Guess you go with the comic cover first, huh? Yeah.
I gotta start way up here and move down.
It's definitely growing on me. Man, it's
I
just-
like that one.
Once you see it in person. And this is the one I initially thought I was going to use. Just still like it. Yeah,
Yeah.
I like that one a lot better. And that is it. I only got the original because I had no intention of ever displaying the one without a mask. I think it's the only one in the whole line that comes that way. And I just might as well save a buck where you can. That's just wild in person. What do you think?
Yeah, totally different in person.
Better?
I mean, they're just far more impressive.
Yeah, it's a good thing we don't ever have any cons nearby.
Hmm.
Already in trouble, huh?
Mm-hmm. I mean, it's badass. Don't get me wrong.
Well, they're all definitely in production now.
Keep turning. mean, you can kind of have him positioned in a couple different angles. I like the color gradient. It looks different on camera.
Yeah, it definitely look more.
It looks more
shiny.
Well, it looks
glossy.
Yeah,
in pictures
and almost not purple. It's definitely more blue in person than what it's reading on
It's
this.
just definitely. I mean, we got a lot of lights in here. It still looks kind of matte. More matte than I thought anyway. But I mean, he was the same way. It's not that it's.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Better or worse, it just looks different in person. Wildly different in person.
We don't have gloves.
Uh-oh. Sorry, John. Oh, man. No gloves.
I know, that's I pulled back like, oh man.
It's a good thing we're not selling it. Yeah. It would be like Michael Jackson, like painting with the one glove. Oh, man.
Oops.
Could you just imagine the Devastator?
Oh, jeez.
Okay. Oh.
I mean, he's huge, so no.
It is almost as big as my child. Alright. So that is it for the unboxing. I'll get this edited up tonight and start on the review hopefully by this weekend. Alrighty. Thank you. Alrighty. So that was the unboxing with me and the wife. Again, as I said, I mean, it's our first time, so I know we were probably more quiet than usual, and me being the paranoid person I am, I just wanted to say I'm sorry. If you've made it this far, I'm sorry for my breathing. It's embarrassing to me. You might not think it's that big a deal, but I was made fun of a lot in school, so it's always just something in the back of my mind. When I see something, hear something, it's always the first thing I get paranoid about. But that was the unboxing of the Merciless. I will try this weekend, probably tomorrow night, once I'm back up here by myself again to film the review. I was asked to be on Collecting Weekly's Collectors Club Friday night. It'll be 11 p.m. so I'm gonna have to pound some coffee. But so that's where I'll be Friday, May 20th. And before that show, I'll film the review, or Saturday night. But before the weekend's over, you will see my review, my thoughts, and I'm going to go into the backstory of this character. And that's something I plan on doing for all of them. So yeah, just to kind of, I don't think there's enough knowledge out there of who these characters are, and he is so impressive in person, but if you don't know who he is or his backstory, you won't even care. But just wow. I'm glad Prime 1 announced the Devastator, because I almost slept on this one. And Marvel Hot Toys are gone, but it's okay. No regrets at all. Got one more left. Captain Marvel Deluxe with the jacket, the kitty, all that stuff. It's on eBay, but no bites. And yeah. So guys, let me know if you want her, and let me know if you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, please. And I will see you soon with the review.